Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Science and Knowledge. Shehbaz here, and today we have top leaks and updates about Huawei's future flagship Huawei Mate 40, which is very interesting. So let's start the video. Huawei's top manager announced the release date of smartphones on the alternative to Android. The first will be the Huawei Mate 40. Flagship models V30, Nova 6, P40 and N30 will work on Android 10. Huawei continues to prepare for the launch of smartphones on its own mobile operating system. Details were told by the senior vice president and board member of Huawei, Vincent Pang, in an interview with Business Insider. The company hopes to adopt its operating system for smartphones in the next 6 to 9 months. Huawei introduced Harmony OS or Hongmeng OS as it is called in China in August. It is designed for various types of electronics, but smart TVs were the first devices based on it. Vincent Pang said, "We can't wait any longer. We have already missed one flagship." Referring to the recently released Mate 30 smartphone, due to US sanctions, the company had to release it on the open source Android version without installed services and Google apps. The well-established insider Rodent 950 summarized the information of the top manager of Huawei. According to the source, smartphones with Harmony OS will be ready at the very best in late summer or fall 2020. With a high probability, the first will be the Huawei Mate 40, whose debut can be expected in October. At the same time, the nearest flagship models such as V30, Nova 6, P40 and N30 will work under Android 10 with a proprietary shell EMUI 10 or Magic UI. According to another source, Huawei Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro will receive a 5nm SoC Kirin 1000. Huawei's newest flagship smartphones are the Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro, introduced in early September. Based on the new Kirin 990 platform, today network sources shared information about the next single-chip system of the Chinese manufacturer. It is called that Kirin 1000 chipset will be manufactured using a 5nm process technology. Moreover, Huawei has already released trial copies. The first Kirin 1000 smartphones are expected to be the Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro. Experts expect more performance and significantly reduced power consumption for the new platform. It is expected that smartphones will launch between September to October 2020 and it will be priced near about 1000 USD. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, peace out.